All right, guys, so it's been a while. We're back. I've been away for work, so I haven't been able to get to this project. And within that time, something came in for the car. It's kind of one of those things where it's super cheap and we just kind of want to see how well it actually works. So it's just a little, that fucking hurt my ears. It's a little plate. It basically just clips in. You can see on the side, it basically just adds onto this knuckle to give you a little bit more angle. It's supposed to give you like 20 or some percent angle. So right here you can see this is a stock angle, which is nothing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the wheels off and slap these guys on quick and then see what the difference is. Hopefully there is a difference. If not, well, it was a cheap try. All right, so I didn't do too much filming. It was the first one, so I just wanted to figure out how to do it. So this is how the bracket will sit. They supply a bolt here. This one, I don't know if I did that wrong or not, but there's like no threads in it, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. This guy, this hole, I actually ended up drilling out a little bit so it would slide in easier because I wasn't going in. So I got that all done. So now we just got to take the other side apart and go for it. And then hopefully it helps. Seems like it gets a little bit better, but you don't know until the tires are on. So let's get this one wrapped up and the other one all taken apart and done, and we'll go from there. All right, so I did it quick, but this side's all together. Now we're running into a problem where, as you can see, the wheels kind of do that. So what we're gonna have to do is, I seen one guy, what he did was he took this spacer out, cut a part of this off, and then just put that almost all the way in, just like on that side, and then that pretty much made them straight. So I guess we're gonna have to take this back apart to, unfortunately, cut this guy, which these are like C's together, so that's going to be really fun to do, but it is what it is. So I'm going to back these all the way out when it's on, and then I'm going to take them off and hope for the best.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Hey, at least we're doing it. All right, guys, so we finally got other tie rods in. We cut them all down to hopefully be able to bottom them out. So now let's go put them on and see if it all works. All right, guys, so it's finally done. It works, kinda. That's full turn this way. Can't really tell, but we're gonna do a couple little donuts and go from there. Let's go have fun. All right. You gotta do this though. Riley, you coming? All right, guys, so that is fully done. Everything's good. Good end it here. There's gonna be more happening with the car soon. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna see what happens, what we're gonna get for it, what we're gonna do next. But other than that, there's gonna be some more cars, more videos coming of the silver car and other stuff that's going on. So just like and subscribe and wait for more videos.